Wow, Bitcoin Cash is really massively pumping right now. 99.30% increase in the past 30 days and 79.55% increase in the past 7 days. And this coin right now is the number 4 trading coin right now. Bitcoin Cash is really increasing, really pumping. Of course, you can see the trading volume have actually hit over $1,176,000,000 trading volume in a single day. Wow, I'm happy to see that Bitcoin Cash is really pumping. Actually hit about 100%. So if Bitcoin, if you have invested $500, you'll be having at least $1,000 by now within the past 4 weeks. Okay, an investment of $1,000 will be returning about $2,000, which is amazing. Even in the past 7 days, an investment of $1,000 would have done about $790 profit. So Bitcoin Cash is really giving a profit. Bitcoin Cash is really trying, they're really pumping right now. I'm happy to see Bitcoin Cash. And what I love about Bitcoin Cash is that after buying Bitcoin, after Ethereum, then you talk about Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin. These are the 4 top crypto coins in the world that many companies are accepting as means of payment for goods and services. I've visited so many sites that accept crypto as crypto-based payment. You see Bitcoin Cash, you see Litecoin, some of them, then Bitcoin and Ethereum. Wow! So this is a very nice coin. I'm happy that this coin right now is really pumping, it's really increasing. So let's keep hoping for this coin to rise. So that doesn't mean you should rush and start buying. You need to research, check the fundamentals, check the technical, check where they check the updates, check what is going on, check what is pumping this coin. Is it over? But I still believe that in the nearest future, Bitcoin coin will be pumping massively. Let's hope for the best. But right now, this coin is on board. Once again, thank you for stopping by.